Hi guys! I'm Alyanna. And I'm Jolly-Ann. So for today's video, we're gonna make a tutorial video about scientific method.
So, what's scientific method?
Scientific method is an organized way that helps scientists and everyone to answer and solve a problem.
It is also a systematic observation, measurement, experiment, and also formulating testing and modification of hypotheses.
So, the first step in the scientific method is identifying the problem. This is where you are going to find the problem that you observed in the experiment, and sometimes it can be a survey. So, we provide here some examples for identifying the problem. How would a dry ice react to cooking oil compared to dry ice with water? The second step is formulating hypothesis. In formulating hypothesis, it could be a scientific guess. It is based from facts and it has logical reasoning. For example, if we put dry ice in the cooking oil, the dry ice will bubble and create smoke just like in dry ice with water. The third step is experimentation. We do experimentation in the scientific method to test existing theories or new hypotheses.
The first part of the experimentation is first 3.1 identifying the variables. There are 4 types of variables. It is the independent variable, dependent variable, and controlled variable, and also the extraneous variable. The independent variable are the cause of change, and the dependent variable are the recipient or the receiver of the change. And the controlled variable are the controlled materials, and the extraneous variable are the uncontrolled materials. And here in our example, the independent variable are the dry ice, and the dependent variable are the water and cooking oil, and controlled variable is the solute or the dry ice, and the extraneous variable is the density of the water and oil. The second part of the experimentation is the materials. Materials are the things that we needed in order to perform the experimentation. Here in our example, the materials needed is first container, and the dry ice, and also water, and cooking oil, and gloves and tongue for the dry ice. Implementation is assembling setups. It is the part where we will assemble and do the experimentation.
And the last part of the experimentation is 3.4 procedures. Procedures is the official way of doing something. First, prepare all the materials needed. Second, fill the container A with 150 ml water and container B with 150 ml cooking oil. Third, for the safety, use gloves or tongue for the dry ice. Fourth, place the dry ice into the water and observe. Fifth, place another dry ice into the cooking oil and observe. And the last part is compare the chemical reaction to the
Gathering data. This is the process of collecting the result of a full experiment.
The fifth step is interpretation. So, scientific interpretation are neither absolute truth or personal opinion. It is also an attempt to figure out what has been observed on the experiment. The sixth step is analyze. So, analysis. It is a summary of the experiment's results and how those results match up to your hypothesis. Reminder, you should carefully analyze the result of your experiment. The seventh step is your conclusion. Your conclusion summarizes how the results support or contradict your original hypothesis. Summarize your science project results in a few sentences and use this summary to support your conclusion. Include key facts from your background research to help explain your result as needed. And the last step is recommendation. Ensuring the integrity of the research process, it requires that the scientists' research institutions give systematic attention to the fundamental values, principles, and traditions that foster responsible research conduct. So that's it, guys. We hope that you've learned a lot from our video. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And please click the bell button down below so you'll be notified every time we post a new video.